Hello beautiful souls, I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any topics in mind which you want me to make videos on, do let me know and I will definitely make a video on that topic. I have two other channels, Divinnestaars Tarot and Divinnestaars Tarot in Hindi, where I do tarot readings. And I'll be giving the link in the description box. If you like them, please visit them and like, share, subscribe to them as well. Now coming to today's topic. Here we will be discussing about the 10 dimensions of the universe. Universe, at least the universe which we know about, is known to have 10 or more than 10 dimensions. Here we are going to discuss about the 10 dimensions, broadly dividing the universe into 10 dimensions, and we are going to know about it. What are they? Right? So let's begin the video. The first dimension. In this, one can go up and down in a line. The second dimension, one can go right and left. In the third dimension, one can go front and back. Coming to the fourth dimension, here the concept of linear time comes in. But time only moves forward, that is linearly, in the fourth dimension. Coming to fifth dimension, one can go forward and backwards in time, and there is no linear time frame. The possibility of multiple universe starts here. Now coming to sixth dimension, there is access to multiple universes starting from same single point. That is, the concept of Big Bang Theory comes here. Seventh dimension, there is access to multiple universes starting from different points of origination. Now coming to the eighth dimension, one can access entire history and details of different universes separately. In the ninth dimension, one can access histories and details of all the universes together and compare them with each other. Now finally coming to the 10th dimension. Here there are endless possibilities, infinite possibilities of everything ever imagined. So this completes our video about the dimensions of the universe. Do let me know if you like them. And yes, if you have any other topics in mind which you want me to make videos on, do let me know. Until then, take care, stay blessed. Till we meet again.